Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel, and this is my full 1 week update for my Wealthsimple Creator Challenge. If you're new to the channel, what I am trying to do here is use my YouTube revenue that I make from another channel that I run and invest it in a Wealthsimple portfolio, bringing it all the way up to $100,000. So we just started this last week. Thanks to everybody that has followed along so far. Thanks for all the comments and people that are following along. Really appreciate it. If you're not and you want to follow along, subscribe button down below. I'm going to post regular updates. We'll do what stocks and ETFs I purchase on the channel, and then we'll share kind of a weekly update on how it did in the market. So it's only been going for a week. We've only invested our initial first month's investment in the TFSA. So let's jump in. We'll show you where things are at after 1 full week of investment. Okay, here we are. We're logged into my TFSA. I only did that first purchase. So if you want to check that out, you can check out my previous videos. It will show you the stocks that I have purchased. So in 1 week here, we are, well, it says down zero, but we're down $2.63. Nothing too crazy either way. The market was kind of up and down a little bit all week and kind of ended up basically kind of flat here with what we've invested. So just to go over, we have the Cineplex shares. These ones, I have 10 shares of that. I'm gonna buy more of that when I do the next deposit. And currently right now, it all time is down $2.80, 2.11%. Greenlane Renewables, this is a renewable natural gas company and kind of a new company. This is my growth, a little bit of a growth play. These two are the Cineplex and the Greenlane Renewables. So obviously you can see the stock price is $1.80 right now. I'm gonna buy more of these because it's come down a little bit here. So we're down, I have 14 shares of that, total value $25.20. And it is down 8%, 8.76%, almost 9% for $2.42. So we'll keep an eye on that one. This is a long-term investment. We're not investing heavily in this one, so not too worried if it keeps kind of going down a little bit. But our projection, hopefully, with the renewable energy industry will increase down the road. This and then the next one here, RioCan Real Estate Investment Trust. This one's the one that's doing well. I have 10 shares of this. Current price is $20.20. And total value $202. So we're up on this one. I'm up $5.70, almost 3%. So that's a good one. We'll be buying more of this next investment as well. And TransAlta Renewables. This is a renewable energy company based in Alberta, and it's down a little bit too. This one kind of was up and down. It kind of hovers around $20. This one is a dividend stock, much like the RioCan, so we'll be starting to get some dividends on that we'll be able to reinvest into the portfolio. So down a little bit, down $3.90, 3.73%, but we'll be getting more shares of that the next deposit. And the last one here, Vanguard Canadian High Dividend Yield Index, is the ETF. We went over this a little bit in my prior video. You can check that one out, but this one's kind of our highest holding. 10 shares right now, $37.99, and this one's up as well, $1.60, so we're up 0.42%. Not too bad for 1 week. We're going to be in a long term on this, and then so this one as well, we'll start to see some dividends. So that is my 1 week update on this. We can go in and go down to this is on Friday, so we're down a little bit on Friday. Most of the losses of the week, not very much, $2.55, but most of the losses were on the last day on the Friday. So we're down 263, but if we look, that was on the week, but if we look, we've been going for only a week, so we're only actually in the portfolio down $1.82. So we're really basically flat all time. We are pretty much where we started. So slowly building, slowly growing. Thanks for watching, everybody. If you have any questions about the stock portfolio, obviously I'm not a financial advisor. I'm just learning as I go here as well, but you can always leave me a comment down below. I'll try to answer it best I can or point you in the right direction. Thanks again for following, everybody. If you haven't subscribed, like I said, hit that subscribe button, hit the notification bell, all that YouTube stuff. Thanks for watching. Have a great week, and I will be back in the next video. I've got what I'm going to do is I have a instant deposit opening up. Should be open up, I think, on Monday or Tuesday. So I will do another small deposit on this from the earnings that are coming from my other YouTube channel, and then that way we can average out the cost of some of these stocks. So we're doing a small deposit next week. Check in on that one, and you'll see a video posted if you're following along. Thanks for watching, everybody. Have a great rest of the weekend. Enjoy your day.